What's up everybody, Tony here with iTech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at some cases for your brand new Galaxy S20. Now I did have a dummy coming to me. Unfortunately, things happened overseas and it wasn't able to get to me in time for this review, but once I get it, I will put up another review showing you guys how it fits on the case. Now these cases are made by IBlason. And they are also military drop tested, so you know once you put your phone inside this case, it's going to be protected. So I do have quite a few cases here, and I'm really excited to show you guys what kind of case lineup IBlason has for the Galaxy S20. So let's go ahead and see what you get inside the box. Okay, so here we're going to start off the IBlason case for the Galaxy S20 with the Aries series. This particular one is black. You get a little installation card. This is just to let you know that it does not come with a built-in screen protector. And then here is the case. So again, it's got that nice, hard, clear backing on it. It's got a nice rubber edge here, and it's also got reinforced edges, which is nice for that drop protection. Here are your buttons on the side. And your cutouts here, as you can see, it is got a little protector to protect the charging port. And there's the top. So the way you install this is you see this little edge here, how it has like a little cutout. You'd bend this away from this interior top and you just pull it out, then put your phone in and then put the top back in. So I'll take this out and show you how it does. Okay, so here as you can see, you just kind of push the back frame towards you and then push out on the case there, and this just kind of pops out and you just pull that out. You put your phone in here and then put this over your phone and then push it back in. And then you're good to go. Definitely don't have to worry about your phone falling out. That is the black Aries. Okay, so here we have the blue. It's got the black rubber edge and the blue inlay. Feels good in the hand. And again, like I said, once I get my dummy units, I will be putting them back into the case so you can see how it looks with the phone inside the case. So that's the blue. And here we have the purple. I'm sure this will definitely be popular with the ladies. Very cool color, and it'll probably go good with that pink brand new Galaxy S20. So now we're going to head on to their Cosmo series. This is more fashionable than the other ones. This particular one is amethyst. So if you want to make more of a statement, these definitely stand out from any other case. It's got that nice hard backing. Again, the front pops out. You put the phone in and then put the front ring back over your phone. There's your cutouts. It's got your volume button, your power button here. It's squishy on the sides. It's that hard, like a hard rubbery plastic. And again, like I said, it's hard on the back. And this is their Cosmo series. Here's their Prezio. It's more like an emerald color. Here's their marble. And this is the ocean. This is probably my favorite. And they also have a Cosmo series that has a card holder built in. This particular one is their purple. So you can see here's the little card slot, and here's where you can push up your card. You can probably put about 2 flat cards in here. And still be able to get them out fairly easy. So you just push up on here and your cards come out. And again, like I said, that is about 2 flat cards. So if you have it in embossed cards, maybe one. For definitely 1, maybe 2. But if they're flat, you can definitely fit a couple cards in here, which is nice. It's got that gold lining. That nice. It's got like a texture to it. It's not like a smooth plastic like the other Cosmo series are. These are kind of textured, which is really nice. I like that matte texture. And it's got the smooth edges. They're not really rubbery. They're more like plastic. And then the insert here. So as you can see, they kind of bend fairly well. And you got your cutouts on the bottom here. Your buttons. Pretty cool. I like the fact that it can hold some credit cards. And then here is their marble. Again, I like the way that this looks matte. It's got that kind of a nice texture on it. It's not smooth like the other one. Very cool. I like that. And again, it holds your card. So this is IBlason's case lineup for the Galaxy S20. Again, I will be putting the phone once I get it into these cases and letting you guys see what it looks like. So if you guys haven't subscribed, definitely make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that. I will be putting links in the description in case you guys want to check these out yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.